'em go bust. Eye for eye, make 'em lose trust.
Hey, it's 11th grade career education class with Mr. Stewart and
Miss Lively.
All right. Career development. What do you know about career development? Let's start with managing a career self-assessment.
Well, what is a career self-assessment? It's a tool designed to help you recognize your strengths and talents as well as your weaknesses. Mr. Stewart, you can't take the good without the bad.
No, you can't.
It is a tool that you can provide you with a balanced and objective view of the jobs that might be good for you and those that might not be. For instance, Mr. Stewart, you love working with kids, right?
Yes, I do.
So that's why you're perfect at what you do. But would you like working with animals?
I like dogs, but maybe not as much.
So you wouldn't work at the SPCA?
No.
Those are the things that you need to realize about yourself, what you're good at and what you're not good at.
All right. How hard is it to think critically about yourself? You might have trouble identifying your interests. You might feel self-conscious about talking about your strengths, or you might not like to admit that you enjoy a subject.
What subject do you enjoy, Mr. Stewart?
Career ed.
Good answer. Some helpful things to consider when building your career plan. I need you guys to start thinking about your personal values, thoughts, ideas, and actions that are important to you. For instance, maybe you value what people think about you. Maybe you value how you're seen, what your reputation is. Next, I need you to start thinking about instrumental values that are important to you. These are values that you can acquire. For example, if you knew that you come to school every day would get you a certificate and have perfect attendance and later get to be a prize, then that's a value that's important to you. Coming to school every day gets you rewards. Next, think about what your intrinsic values are that are important to you. These would be your morals and standards. Maybe you can't stand people that lie, so therefore you don't lie, or you don't hang around people that tell lies. It's all a balance between who you think you are and the things that actually are important to you.
All right, let's think about it. Assignment part 1. Let's build your career assessment now. List your 2 favorite subjects in school. List at least 4 specific skills that you've acquired in those subjects. And list 4 achievements, big or small, in those subjects.
Once you have done that, list 4 abilities. The things that you do well or special talents. Then list 2 things that you're interested in. For instance, some of you guys are interested in gaming. Lastly, list 4 work values. These could be showing up to work on time, being prepared. Mr. Stewart, what else would be a good work value?
Did you say coming to work on time?
Yeah, I did.
I would say good communication skills.
Awesome.
All right, it's your favorite part of the day. Assignment part 2. Log in to njcan.org, place your cursor on the assessment tab, look for informal assessments, and click on the Learning Style Survey. Take the survey. Click on results once you're done and receive your score. What type of learner are you? Save the results. Under your scores, click the Check Out Learning Style Study Tips, then complete your worksheet.
Once you have completed your assignment part 1 and part 2, please email us your assignment part 1, your career self-assessment, and the worksheet. Until next time, guys.
We will see you then.